I saw you across the room, got you in my head now. You're all I want all the time, and the days don't end, cause I'm losing sleep, yeah, you stole it. I can't keep on checking my phone, no, I'm out with my friends, but I think of you instead. Is it
We're back! Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am glad that you could join, and if you've been watching us for a while, then welcome back. I don't know about you, but this year has just flown past, and everyone seems to be putting up their Christmas decorations much earlier this year. And I think that's just because everyone needs a little bit of positive energy and they need their spirits to be lifted a bit. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really helps my channel out, and I would really appreciate it if you would like and put on your notifications so that you know whenever I post a new video. I've been working on some exciting things and I'm excited to share that with you. If you follow me on Instagram or you follow me on Facebook, you would know that I am launching a website and a blog, and I can't wait to see where this new adventure is going to take me. So without further ado, let's start decorating together. I decided to use some old things we had, and I got a few new things. A lot of them I actually made myself, just some DIYing, which I decided to do because I couldn't find everything that I was looking for online. So we normally start with the Christmas tree just because this feels like it just takes the longest. And once you know what your Christmas tree is going to look like, you kind of get an idea and a feel for what you want to do throughout the rest of your home. So we started out with the Christmas tree, and I must say, fluffing the Christmas tree is not something that I particularly enjoy doing, just because it takes so long and I always feel itchy when we're done. Because it's summertime in South Africa during the festive season, I decided to just use some woods, some greens and some whites this year, just to create more of a cool natural theme across my home. So you'll see I'm putting some wooden garlands on the tree. I actually made these myself and it was so simple. All you need is a piece of twine and some wooden beads. This white Christmas tree since we moved into our first place, and it's holding up great, so I didn't see the need to get a new one this year. I've got some clear Christmas balls which I bought a bunch of eucalyptus, and I just clipped off small pieces of eucalyptus and put them inside. That the wooden star that I put on the top of the Christmas tree is also something that I made just from twigs that I found in our garden, and I just tied it all together with twine. We went to the park recently and picked up some pine cones. I just tied the pine cones to twine and made little garlands to hang across the windows. Bought some flat wooden beads just to create another variation of garland to put across the windows. Bought a lot more eucalyptus than what we actually needed for the balls, and decided to just hang them, just tie them with some twine and hang them on the walls with the gardens, and I really love how this turned out. I've always had my eye on the wooden and felt letterboards, but then I came across this little light letterboard at Typo recently, and it was on 50% discount on Black Friday, so I decided to get this because who doesn't need more Christmas lights, right? These little wooden houses were so much fun to just build very quick. I need to really start looking at in future is when I buy lighting for Christmas or anything else, that I do look at the length of the lights that I'm buying. I actually bought quite a bit of lighting this year, and all the lighting I bought were much shorter than I anticipated. This is the first year that Jaden was really excited about Christmas, and that he just got into all the decor, and he helped me make some of the decor, and it's really just been very special to have him so involved in everything and get so excited when he saw all this decor. That advent calendar that we are putting up with the Christmas tree actually is just little cardboard houses. I got this online from In the Box. I hope that you feel a little bit more festive after watching this video, and that you all are going to have such a merry and bright Christmas this year. my liefie. Wat is zo? Wat is dit, schat? Is dit een kaarsboom? Wat is mama liefie? Wat is dit? Wat is dit? Ijsies? Wat is dit, boe? Is dit die krulletjies wat jy en mama gedoen het? Dit is die klokkies. Kijk. Sto liggies. Dat is liggies. Is dit ijsie? Is daar liggie op binne? Kan hy maklik breek? Ja. Hy kan maklik breek. Wat is dit?